Four United States nationals contracted by the United States Agency for International Development (USAID) reportedly sneaked into the country last month without notifying authorities as per protocol and proceeded to hold unsanctioned and covert meetings, which were to inform Washington's adversarial foreign policy towards Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The mission was ostensibly to carry out a democracy and governance assessment to help USAID design its local programs. However, the team was busted and deported on February 17th after it was established that their real agenda was more focused on seeking a more effective method to effect regime change in the country. So all these are desperate efforts carried out through USAID to rescue and remake the opposition with a view to influencing 2028. It will not happen. The US Department of State spokesperson Matthew Miller has since angrily reacted to the deportation, alleging that members of the assessment team were subject to aggressive handling, prolonged interrogation and intimidation, unsafe and forced nighttime transportation, overnight detention and confinement, and forced removal from the country. This is today's news about the Zimbabwe government revealing details of American spy agents entering into the country. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.